triumph in affliction. You don't understand now why I am doing it, someday you will. John chapter 13 verse 7. May I remind you that physical illness is not the worst thing that can happen to you. Some of the most twisted, miserable people I have ever met had no physical handicap. Some of the world's greatest and most useful people have been handicapped. The Messiah was composed by Handel, who was suffering from a paralyzed right side and arm. Catherine Booth, in the last year of her life, said that she could not remember one day free from pain. Helen Keller has written, "I thank God for my handicaps, for through them I have found myself, my work, and God." Some of the most radiant Christians I have ever met were wheelchair saints. May God give you grace to triumph in affliction. Prayer for the day. When physical afflictions come into my life, may they draw me closer to you, my beloved Lord Jesus Christ.